What's the name?
ร้านเจ๊อีทเจ๊อีท
J
เจ๊เจ๊อีท
J Eat.
ริมน้
J Eat. Famous seafood place, guys. Famous seafood noodles. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that seafood. Right out here in the old city. Famous, guys. Of course, you can have it over rice too, but pretty famous for the noodles here in the old Chanthaboon walking district. What'd you order?
ำซีนอยู่
Same me? Okay.
ลูกตั้ง
Smells so good.
รวมเลย
How long did she stay here?
เนี่ย40 ปีอะ40 year
40 years. This restaurant been here 40 years. Wow. No wonder it's so
ตอน
famous.
แรกอะขายตั้ง
Mm.
โอที่ขายตั้งขายตั้ง30 บาทเลย
Mm.
พอซีเซล30 บาท30 บาทพอ
30 baht for everything. Oh, wow.
ขายนานมากไม่
Wow, that was fast. Look at these noodles, guys. Thank you. Oh my, that's the famous spicy noodles. Wow. Let's eat. Wow, it looks so good. Really fast, huh? Don't wait, no waiting. Open till 4 p.m. here, guys. Stuff is amazing, guys. Absolutely incredible. Check it out.
ไม่ทำอย่างเดียวก็ไม่เอาอีกเขาเอาต้มยำเอาที่ไหมก็ไม่เอา
Stuff is amazing. It's got shrimp. It's got the manta shrimp. Had the crab claw in there. Absolutely amazing flavor. The broth. Incredible. This is where they look at fun kind of silly, but I can't help myself, guys. Amazing area down here in the old downtown Chanthaboon walking district, guys. Look on the map. It's one of our very popular tourist spots, and that noodle shop is just incredible. 40 years in business. Very, very famous. We've bought some to take home. So it's almost November now, and tourist season is picking up. We're getting quite a few tourists down here in the walking district. You can walk from here all the way to the roundabout, which is in the kind of in the center of the old city. It's big, huge markets there, a big, huge fountain that you can't miss. So maybe a 10-minute walk from here, and then down here you're right along the river, and there's so many shops and cafes, guys. It's really incredible. A lot of shopping at very unique shops all the way through here, and it is tight quarters, right? So be careful. And durian's out of season, but they got some here. Sawadee Cup. I'm gonna grab us some durian. Thank you. I'm surprised to see we still have durian. Thank you. Thank you very much. Still a bit of durian around, guys. Oh, the pineapples are amazing. Love everything about this area down here, guys. Little alleyways, old buildings. Like I say, lots of unique shops. Just go slow when you're down here walking through. You'll find all kinds of really unique shops. Some high-end gift items. Lots of jewelry, of course, and our gemstones. Beautiful area, guys. And this shop is infamous. Raining a little bit now. Can wait a little bit. Raining. You order to take home? Got bun? Oh, you have already? Okay. Thank you. Aroy ma. Buy some durian. I found some durian. Oh, famous. Aroy mak mak. Yeah, look in the description, guys. I'll put the link to the Google map. You gotta come try these noodles. There's tons of noodle shops in our area, but this is a special one for sure. Wow, little Buddhas. Nice. Swai mak. Beautiful. Just so much stuff, guys. Just one shop after another. A little bit of rain today. We haven't had rain in a week or so, but it's really early for dry season. Usually dry season doesn't start till at least mid-November, and we're almost to Halloween. But you guys can see, I mean, it's just one little shop after another, and right here's where you walk over to go to the cathedral. Of course, they'll have signs up here that show you the different attractions. So if you come to Chanthaburi, especially if it's your first time, or maybe you've been here before and you didn't come down here to Chanthaboon walking district, you gotta come check it out, guys. There's just so much, and it goes all the way down to where the main road crosses the river there. So many unique places. And of course, the famous walkway. So if you haven't been down here and taking your time, lots of great stuff to see, guys. You can just park, or if you don't have transportation, just get dropped off down here in the old Chanthaboon area along the river. And like I say, you can walk all the way to city center at the roundabout, at the fountain. Huge markets there, and you know, it's all within like a 10-minute walk from the river. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This noodle shop is amazing. If you love seafood, you love fresh noodles with an amazing broth, like a grandfather stock broth. Oh, guys, it's absolutely amazing. Look in the description box for the Google Map location. You got to come check it out. Noodles are a primary meal here in Thailand. Noodle shops are everywhere. Some are very basic. This is not a basic noodle shop, guys. This place is famous, in business 40 years at this same location here in the Chanthaboon waterfront community. Absolutely amazing. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Peace and love to everyone from Nam Yen and Triple T here in Chanthaburi.